Hi guys, I'm making this review video for Jordan's course selling masterclass, personal branding made easy. And then I would like to say that the course is very comprehensive, and then I could easily get into each of the module, and it was pretty easy to follow. So I would recommend getting into Jordan's courses. So basically, he has a lot of courses aside from this one, and he's doing YouTube courses. But for this one, I'm making a review about this course selling masterclass, and it was great. And then, as you scroll down, you will be able to see a lot of information, and you can actually uh, understand and get all the things that you need to do in order to create your course and sell it, as also for personal branding. So as you go along, and then all these stuffs in here, and I would suggest that give it a try, Jordan's courses. So hopefully this would help you guys who would like to try and then look for courses that would give you enough information on how to start this one course selling, and also Jordan's other courses, YouTube, and others. So I think that's it, and then hopefully you all guys enjoy the courses. Bye.